Happy Monday. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. And today, since our theme of our week is home and family, I was thinking about some things that we do around the home and realized that cleaning is a very important part of living in our homes, and it's something that everyone can help out with. But I thought that we would make cleaning up our toys a little bit more fun today, so we are going to be doing a cleanup toss-up challenge. And so I have all of my toys on the floor, and I wanted to try to get them into my all done bucket. Maybe you guys have a different container where you put all your toys, or you can use a laundry basket or anything else that you want to put your toys away in. I'm going to use my all done bucket, and I'm going to try to throw these into my bucket and see if I can get them in. So the first toy I have is this one right here, and I'm going to toss it underhand. I'm going to go underhand, and I'm going to try to get it into my all done bucket. I wonder, can I do it? Let's see. All right. And for this activity, you guys can do it anywhere where there's an open space or anywhere where you have toys around the house that you want to help clean up. So anywhere works. All right, let's get started. Oh, I got it. All right, let's see. I have this toy right here. We used this toy last week when we took a trip to the vet. This is my stethoscope. I want to see if I can get this into the other basket. But I'm going to try my other hand. I'm going to try my left hand this time, and let's see if I can get it. All right, this is a little tricky. Let's see. All right, my other toy is my llama. And for this one, I'm going to try overhand. I'm going to try doing overhand. Maybe you could try that too. Do overhand. Can't do it too hard though, but let's try. Let's see. All right, my other one is my turtle friend, and I'm going to try doing overhand again, but with my left hand. This hand I don't use a whole lot, so it might be a little tricky. Let's see, I wonder, can you guys try doing that also? Toss it overhand. This is underhand. This is overhand. All right, let's see if I can do it. Oh, it's so close. Okay, I'm going to try it one more time. Let's see if I can do it. Go overhand. Nice, I got it. All right, I have a few more toys. Let's see. I have my friend Pugly here. Maybe you remember him from last week. And I'm going to try my left hand again. I'm going to stand sideways like this. I'm going to try underhand and see if I can do it from this side. This might be a little tricky. All right, let's see. Whoop. Oh, so close. All right, I'll get him later. I'm going to try it again, but with my other toy, this one right here. All right, let's see if I can do it. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. Nice. All right, I have a few more. I have my friend Olaf here. He says hello. And I'm going to try the same thing on my other side. So I'm going to turn to the right. I'm going to use my right hand again. I'm going to try to do it overhand. Let's see if I can do it. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, so close. A little too hard that time. I have one last one. This is something that we used when we went to the vet last week also. Let's see if I can get it. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, and I have these two right here. I'm going to stand back, and I'm going to try doing the overhand toss again. Let's see, I'm going to stand on my side. I'm going to go over. Oh, so close. All right, I'm going to try the other side. Oh, bummer. Well, it's all right. I can just pick them up and put them in my all done bucket. And now my toys are all put away in my all done bucket. And my whole area is cleaned up now. I cleaned up all of my toys. So you guys can have a lot of fun doing this at home too. You can use as many toys as you want. And just remember, we can make cleaning a really fun thing. and make a game out of it. And you can do it with your siblings or any other family members in your house. But that was everything, so you guys have fun doing the cleanup toss-up challenge, and I wonder how many toys you guys can put away. Well, I will see you guys again really soon. Bye, take care.